Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. How are you children? Hope you all are fine and safe. Yes children, in our previous classes we have discussed about different categories of control panel. Isn't it children? Okay, good. Today, let us discuss about another category and that is appearance and personalization. And in this category, it allows you to change the look and feel of the display interface, which means you can make your interface more attractive and more understandable with this category, okay? And this category includes changing the theme, changing the desktop background and screensaver, and also adjust screen resolution. Okay, so this category contains different applets for doing these things. Okay, children. So let's see the applets of this category. And here you can see the display applet through which you can make your text and other items larger or smaller, and also you can adjust the screen resolution. And if you want to connect your system to a projector or to an external display, you can use this applet display. Okay, and the next is desktop gadgets, through which you can add gadgets to the desktop, and also you can access more gadgets online, and you can uninstall a gadget and also restore a desktop gadgets using this option, that is desktop gadgets. Okay children, and the next one is taskbar and start menu, and through this applet you can customize different options like start menu, then taskbar and toolbars. Also you can change the picture on the start menu, that is the account picture. Okay, and the next applet is ease of access center, through which you can use the screen reader and also turn on easy access keys. Okay, and also accommodate low vision. Okay, so these are the certain properties or functions which we can access by this applet, that is ease of access center. And the next is folder options, through which you can see different folders or files in different location, and you can hide selected files from their location. Okay, and you can also specify whether you have to single or double click to open a file or folder. Okay, you can change that settings to using the folder options. And the next applet is the fonts, and through this applet you can change the style and visibility of the fonts, which means you can adjust how fonts are shown on computer. Okay, and the last one is the personalization, and in this applet you can change the theme of the Windows display, desktop background, screensaver, and also Windows glass colors. Okay, so first let's see how can we change the theme. So what is a theme? Theme means it consists of combination of desktop background, color, sounds and screensaver and so on. Okay, and through this applet you can change the way Windows looks and feels. Children, let's see how can we change the look of the Windows display by changing the theme. Okay children? Yes children, here you can see different applets that we have discussed about. So in the personalization you can see the change the theme. Okay, just click on it. So here you can see different themes available. Select the desired theme and close the window so that you can see the theme, or else you can use different option, means right click on the desktop so that you can see personalize option, just click on it, so the same window will appear. From that to select a theme and close the window, and you can see the Windows display. And if you want to change the desktop background, under the personalization option, click on the change desktop background, so that here you can see different desktop backgrounds available in your system. Okay, so you can select the picture locations from where you have to select different desktop background. Okay, just like this, here in the picture location, the drop down arrow, from that you can select. So that is the window desktop background. From that, choose one desired desktop background and click on save changes. Now let's see how can we change the screensaver. Before that, do you know what is screensaver? Yes, it can be an image or a design which appears on your screen, on your Windows display, if the computer is left idle for some time. Okay. Yes, children, we can change the screensaver using change screensaver option in the personalization applet. Just click on it. So when you click on it, you can see screensaver settings dialog box will appear, and under the screensaver title, just click on the drop down arrow and you can see different themes. Select a theme from that list. Okay, and when you click on preview, you can see its preview. Okay, and there is a waiting time box given there. So there you can select the number of minutes of inactivity, means if the screen is left idle for that number of minutes, so that the screensaver will appear. Okay. And children, you can click on preview to see how it would look on the screen. Okay, by selecting different themes, you can see its preview just like this. Okay, just click on preview so that you can see the changes that will appear to your screen. Okay, after selecting the theme, click on preview, and finally you have to click on the OK button to change the screensaver. Children, so that's about the appearance and personalization category. So read your textbook thoroughly. Okay, just go through all the categories of control panel and try to do it on your system. And I'm attaching the notes of this chapter. Write down it in your textbook and learn it well. So children, let's see in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye.